Hello all, welcome to classes, welcome back to classes. As we are already aware, everybody, competitive aspirant especially, to achieve any kind of government job in recent days, whether it is banking examination, whether it is SSC or UPSC or even TSPSC, for any kind of competitive examination, quantitative aptitude part is really very essential. So if you have a good command on quantitative aptitude, then you can able to crack any kind of examination. So it is that much essential. So today in this session I come up with one topic from quantitative aptitude. The topic name is pipes and cisterns. You are already aware about this. The topic pipes and cisterns is almost similar to time and work. Time and work is everybody aware. Okay, so these two topics, time and work and pipes and cisterns, are both similar. The only thing is the way of asking question in pipes and cisterns is different from time and work. Let's say if you take one example in time and work, for example A comma B can do a piece of work in 20 days and 30 days. Then both the together can do the piece of work in how many days? So this is a question from time and work. The same question can be asked in pipes and cisterns in different way. That is, let capital A comma B are two different pipes. Pipe A can fill the tank or cistern in 20 minutes. Pipe B can fill the tank or cistern in 30 minutes. If both are working together, or if both the pipes are connected to a tank, then in how many minutes the tank can be filled? See, if you observe this, the way of asking question is different, but numerically values are same. Even concept is also very clear. So that's why if you have a good command on time and work, then pipes and cisterns is very simple topic, and you can able to get the good score from pipes and cisterns. And if you compare these both the topics, so here time means here whether the pipe filling or emptying the tank, that is called, means how much time is required to fill the tank or how much time is required to empty the tank or even cistern. Similarly here work means the part of the tank or cistern filled or emptied, or how much tank is filled or how much tank is emptied. That is the work involved in pipes and cisterns. The simple concept is work means what part of the tank is filled or what part of the tank is emptied. Time means how much time is required to fill the tank or how much time is required to empty the tank. Okay, this is very clear. And remember one more important concept in pipes and cisterns. For example, if one pipe is filling the tank, then usually we will consider as addition, that is plus. For example, if another pipe is emptying the tank, then usually we will consider as subtraction, that is negative. Means filling means we will take it as plus and emptying means we will take it as minus. You have to remember this one small concept. Okay, so keep these concepts in mind, then we will start the questions from pipes and cisterns. For example, if you will take first question, and before going to discuss about the first question, remember one more, that is usually total work is always considered as 1 unit. You all aware, I think this concept you learned in time and work. Okay, total work is always considered as 1 unit. This is a very important aspect. From this concept we can say one more point, that is if the work is in terms of fraction, let's say for example 3/5 of the tank is filled or 3/5 of the tank is emptied. So in this case, if the part of the work is in terms of fraction, then clearly remember the denominator part is indicating total work and the numerator part is indicating either remaining work or we can say the work to be finished or the work is finished. Let's say for example 3/5 of the work is finished. What does it mean? Or 3/5 of the tank is filled. What does it mean? Total tank is 5 units. In that 5 units, 3 units tank is filled or 3 parts of the tank is filled. So in that case, remaining tank capacity is simply we can say 2/5. Means out of 5 units, 2 units tank is filled. It is very clear. Okay, so keep all these concepts in mind, then we'll start one question from pipes and cisterns. Here is the question. Let's say two pipes capital A and B can fill a tank in respectively 20 minutes and 30 minutes. How much time will it take to fill the tank if both the pipes are open together? Okay, same question just now I told you. See, remember the values here. Pipe A can fill the tank in 20 minutes. Pipe B can fill that same tank in 30 minutes. How much time will it take to fill the tank if both the pipes are open together? So now we will see the solution. Let's say pipe A. So if you observe here, pipe A can fill the tank in how many minutes? 20 minutes. Similarly, pipe B can fill the tank in how many minutes? 30 minutes. So now what he asked you to find? If both are working together, in how many minutes the tank can be filled. So this we can solve by two ways. Type 1 we can say and type we can say. First type is, for example, if pipe A can fill the tank in 20 minutes, the first pipe can fill that whole tank in 1 minute is 1 by 20. That is, in 1 minute pipe A can do the work 1 by 20. Similarly, in 1 minute the pipe B can fill the tank in 1 by 30. Here 1 by 20 means what? First pipe can do the piece of work, or first pipe can fill the tank in 1 minute. Similarly, 1 by 30 means what? Second pipe, that is B pipe, can fill the tank in first minute. So here A pipe 1 minute work and B pipe 1 minute work. We will get A plus B is both the pipes 1 minute work you will get. So it is very clear, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 means, so we can do the cross multiplication, that is 20 plus 30, 50 you can take by 20 into 30. Here I am doing simply cross multiplication. Okay, so here if you do the simplification, 0 0 cancelled and 5 1s 5 4s. How much I am getting? 1 by 12. So here 1 by 12 is indicating what? So 1 by 12 is indicating, so both the pipes together can fill the tank in 1 minute. How much part? 1 by 12 parts. What does it mean? If total tank is 12 parts, only one part is filled in 1 minute. If in 1 minute 1 by 12th part is filled, then the total tank can be filled in how many minutes? 12 minutes. The answer for this question is simply we can say 12 minutes. This is one way of doing work. Or we have another method also, that is second type. So here second type is, let's say that is one basic formula, that is simply we can take xy by x plus y formula, xy by x plus y. Here x equal to we can take 20 and y is equal to we can take 30. So what will get now? If you will take x equal 20 and y is equal 30, so simply 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30, how much I am getting? 50. So after simplification, 0 0 cancelled, again 5 1s 5 4s. So 4 3s, how much I am getting? 12 minutes. So this is second way of doing the same question, and we can solve this question by using type 3 also. This type 3 is somewhat very easy. How? That here one simple concept is there. The concept name is LCM by factor concept. So now we will see the LCM by factor concept. That is, so here we have to take the LCM of what? 20 comma 30. So LCM of 20 comma 30, how much you will get? So here 60 you will get. That's why LCM is 60. It is clear. And by, so no factors. 23 is 60. Similarly 32 is 60. So 3 plus 2, how much? 5. 60 by 2. 60 by 2 means how much I am getting? Again 5 1s 5 12s. Hence, however, I am getting how much here? 12 minutes. I repeat this first question once again. This question we can solve in 3 ways. One is pipe A can fill the tank in 20 minutes. I think you all are aware about the question. Question is what? Two pipes can fill a tank, capital A, two pipes capital A and B can fill the tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes. How much time will it take to fill the tank if both the pipes are opened together? That is the question. So here pipe A can fill the tank in 20 minutes, pipe B can fill the tank in 30 minutes. So the first pipe can fill the tank in 1 minute, that is 1 by 20. Second pipe can fill the same tank in 1 minute, that is 1 by 30. So 1 by 20 of the work is done in 1 minute, 1 by 30th of the work is done in second minute, that is another minute. So first pipe 1 minute work, second pipe 1 minute work. So here in that way, by doing cross multiplication, I am getting 12 minutes. And second question is, there is a one formula, that is xy by x plus y. So where x equal 20, y is equal 30, same I am getting. In third case, LCM by factor. So if you have a idea regarding this LCM by factors, then it is very easy. So LCM of 20 comma 30 is how much I am getting? 20. Factors means 23 is 60, 32 is 60. So 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 60 by 5, again how much I am getting? So 60 by 5 means 12 I am getting. So this is the beauty of the first question. So now we will discuss the second question. If 3/5 part of a tank, 3/5 part of a tank is filled by water in 15 minutes, then how much time will it take to fill the rest of the tank? I repeat this question once again. 3/5 part of a tank is filled by water in 15 minutes. Then how much time will it to take the fill rest of the tank? Just now I told you total work is always considered as 1 unit. Here the work means what? Filling the tank is the work. That's why filling the total tank is considered as 1 unit. So since the given work is in terms of fraction, what you can say, denominator part is indicating whole work. What is my whole work here? 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, how much is filled already? 3 parts. 3 parts of the work is filled in how many minutes? 15 minutes. So he asked you to find out the rest of the tank. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts is filled. Remaining how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. So simple question. By using unitary method you can solve, or simply see we can do here itself. 3 parts of the work can be filled in 15 minutes. Then remaining how many parts are there? Only simply 2 parts are there. So 2 parts can be filled in how many minutes? So simple calculation, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So here 2 5s are how much I am getting? 10. What does it mean? If 3/5 of the work is finished in 15 minutes, then rest of the work is finished how many minutes? 10 minutes. It is simple basic concept. Remember in this concept, the way of doing question is very easy, but the concept is the work is in terms of fraction. So since work is in terms of fraction, whole work is considered as 5 units. How much finished? Already finished 3 parts. So remaining, he asked you to find out the rest. So rest means how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. Hence answer for the second question is 10 minutes. So this is the way to solve the second question. Remember aspirants, second question is what? 3/5 part of the tank is filled by a water in 15 minutes. Then how much time will take to fill the rest of the tank? This is the beauty of the second question. So now we'll move to question number 3. Tap A takes 4 hours to fill a pond, while tap B takes 6 hours. How much time will they take to fill the pond together? The difference here it is, in previous question the work is in terms of minutes, whereas here it is in terms of hours. Tap A takes 4 hours to fill a pond, while tap B takes 6 hours. How much time will they take to fill the pond together? Same question. Earlier 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whereas here 4 hours and 6 hours. So now I told you 3 types. Type 1 is that we can solve by using their 1 day work, 1 minute work, or 1 hour work, like that. And second type is there is a formula xy by x plus y, and type 3 is based on LCM by factors concept. So if you have a good command on LCM, third type is very easy. So if you observe here, now we'll start by taking LCM by factors method. See, observe here LCM. What are the given numbers? 4 hours and 6 hours. The LCM of 4 and 6 equal to how much I am getting here? 24. LCM by factors. Factors how you will get here? So 4 1s are 4 6 times. That is 4 6 are 24. Similarly, second one is what? 6 hours. 6 1s are again 6 4s. So 6 4s, how much I am getting? 24. So 24 by, see, observe here, 24 by 6 plus 4, 10. 24 by 10. Here simply you can take 2.4, you can say, or if you say in terms of a fraction or mixture fraction, so what you can write here? Here 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 1s, 2 12s, 12 by 5. So if you convert this 12 by 5 in terms of mixture fraction, 5 2s, how much I am getting? 10. So still I am getting 2 by 5. 2 by 5, since it is there in terms of hours, so we will represent in terms of hours. 2 by 5 hours. 2 by 5 hours, or simply 2.4 hours, or even the 2.4 hours can be written as 2 hours indirectly 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes. That depends on the given options. If given option is there 12 by 5 hours, that is the answer. Or it is there in terms of mixture fraction 2 by 5 hours. If the given fraction options is there in terms of hours and minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes. Hence you observe the difference between second question and third question is very clear. Second question is there in terms of minutes, whereas third question is there in terms of hours. Okay, here the formula what I am using is LCM by factors. You may aware about this 6 comma 4. 6 comma 4 means I am not taking these two. So 4 6 times the 24, 6 4 times the 24. In that way I am taking 6 comma 4. I hope you understood this second question. So now we will move to question number 4. A pipe can fill a tank with water in 4 hours and another pipe can empty the same tank in 5 hours. If the tank is completely filled and both the taps are open together, then the tank will be empty in how much time? This is a very beautiful question. See, second question, third question, it is about filling tanks, but whereas this fourth question, one pipe is filling the tank and another pipe is emptying the tank. This is a very beautiful question. So a pipe can fill a tank with water in 4 hours and another pipe can empty the same tank in 5 hours. If both if the tank is completely filled and both the taps are opened together, then the time will be empty in how much time? Okay, this is also we can do. Since model is different model, again we can solve by using 3 steps or 3 methods. We have type 1, that we can solve by taking their 1 minute work. First pipe can fill the tank in how many hours? 4 hours. Pipe A can fill the how much part of the time in 1 minute? 1 by 4. Okay. Similarly, pipe B is emptying. How many hours are required? 5 hours. Pipe B is 1 minute work, 1 hour work is how much we can say? 1 by 5. I repeat this question. So I am taking a separate sheet to solve this. Observe here. Let's say first pipe is there. Pipe A can fill the tank in how many hours? 4 hours. Similarly, pipe B can empty the tank in how many hours? 5 hours. Here first pipe is filling, that's why I am taking plus. But whereas second pipe is emptying, that's why I am taking minus. Again the concept is same. 3 types. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, that is by using type 1, and second type is just now I told xy by x plus 5, that is for together. So since here second pipe is emptying, filling means plus, emptying means simply we can take minus. That's why, so first pipe A 1 hour work is simply we can take 1 by 4. Second pipe 1 hour work is 1 by 5. But here since second pipe is emptying, I am taking minus. So if I am doing cross multiplication, 1 by 20 you will get. So 1 by 20 means what? That is both the pipes together can fill a tank in 1 hour, that is 1 by 20. So hence total tank can be filled in how many hours? 20 hours. Okay, this is one way. And next way is there, that is xy by x minus y method. xy by x minus y. So where x equal to, see here big value minus small value difference, you need not worry about that plus or minus. So 4 into 5 by 4 minus 5 or 5 minus 4, however how much I am getting? 1 I am getting. Okay, so 4 into 5, 20 hours. Okay, that is second type. And we can solve by taking third type also. Third type is again LCM by factors. See, the beauty of entire, almost all the questions from time and work, or even pipes and cisterns can be solved, majority of the questions by LCM by factors concept. So here the next concept is what I am saying, LCM by factors. LCM by factors. So this is by using this formula we can solve majority of the questions from time and work and pipes and cisterns. So here values are what? 4, 5. The LCM of 4, 5. The LCM of 4, 5 is how much you will get? So simply the LCM of 4, 5 is 20 by factors. So factors means what? 4 is given, 4 5s are 20, and 5 is given, 5 4s are 20. But earlier I took plus, here I should take minus because second pipe is emptying. 5 minus 4 how much? 1. 20 by 1. 20 by 1 means again what I am getting? 20 hours. Okay, simple concept. Whether it is filling the pipe, whether two pipes are filling or together, or two pipes are, one pipe is filling, second pipe is emptying, concept is same. Again type 1, type 3. But here if filling means we will take plus, emptying means minus. That's why for this question I am taking minus. I hope you understood this fourth question. Okay, this is beauty. See, sometimes remember one logic here, pipe A can fill the tank in 4 hours. Pipe B can fill the tank in how many hours? 5 hours. For example, now we will take one more question. See, once observe, a pipe can fill a tank with water in 5 hours, and another pipe can empty the same tank in 4 hours. If the tank is completely filled, and if both the pipes are working together, both the taps are open together, then the tank will be empty. The tank will be empty in how much time? See, observe here the beauty of the question. Here it's a logical question. You need not to put the pen on paper, because in fourth question pipe A can fill the tank in 4 hours, pipe B can empty the same tank in 5 hours. But whereas here to fill the tank, pipe A is taking how many hours? 5 hours. Pipe B is taking how many hours? 4 hours. Okay, here the logical question is, he asked to find out tank will be empty in how much time? Time we have to find out. Simply the answer we can say, tank cannot be filled, or answer is not possible. See, why the answer is not possible? To fill a tank we required 5 hours. To fill a tank we required 5 hours. But whereas to empty the tank, how many hours are required? Only 4 hours are required. Filling time must be less than the emptying time. That is, if for example to fill 5 hours required, to empty 4 hours required, will the tank can be filled? No, the water is, the inlet pipe is filling, then the outlet pipe is emptying fastly. What does it mean? Tank cannot be filled. So here you need not to put the pen and paper. Even though you will solve by normal method, you will get the negative answer. So here negative answer is indicating tank cannot be filled. Okay, remember, to fill a tank required 5 hours, but to empty the same tank in only 4 hours. So in that case tank cannot be filled. That is why the tank cannot be filled. filling time always must be less than the emptying time. Okay, then only the tank can be filled for certain hours or certain minutes or seconds. So here it's reverse, that's why tank cannot be filled. It's a logical question, that's it. Okay, question number 6. It is also beauty question. 3 pipes, capital A, comma B and C, can fill an empty tank in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank was empty and all 3 taps are open together, then in how much time the tank will fill? That we have to find out the answer in terms of minutes. See, how many pipes are there? 3 pipes. Pipe A can fill the tank in how many minutes? 30 minutes. Pipe B can fill the same tank in how many minutes? 20 minutes. Pipe C can fill the tank in how many minutes? And that is 10 minutes. Okay, what does it mean? 3 pipes can fill an empty tank, 30, 20, 10 minutes. When the tank was empty, all 3 taps are opened together, then in how much time the tank will be filled? So here also we can solve this question very easily. Again, 3 types are there, or at least we can able to solve by using type 1. 2 types. First type is tap A or pipe A, 1 minute work is how much? 1/30. How? Pipe A is required 30 minutes to fill the tank. So pipe A's 1 minute work is 1/30. Similarly, pipe B's 1 minute work is 1/20. Pipe C's 1 minute work is 1/10. Here, are they working all together? Yes, that is one thing. And secondly, is there any pipe is emptying or all the pipes are filling? No, all the pipes are filling. That's why type 1 is tap pipe A 1 minute work, that is 1/30, and pipe B 1 minute work is 1/20. Pipe C 1 minute work is how much I am getting? 1/30. A pipe 1 minute work, B pipe 1 minute work, C pipe 1 minute work. For example, if I am keeping plus sign here, what does it mean? First A pipe 1 minute work plus B pipe 1 minute work plus C pipe 1 minute work. That is, all the 3 pipes together can fill the tank in 1 minute quantity you will get. So you can use the concept of LCM 20, 30, 10. Here clearly LCM is equal to how much I am getting? 60 I am getting. Okay, 30 2s 60, 23s 60, 10 6s 60. So 11/60 is what? So 3 pipes together can fill the tank in 1 minute. How much? 11/60. Hence the whole tank can be filled in how many minutes? 60/11 minutes. So this 60/11 can be expressed in terms of a mixture fraction. How much you'll get? 11/5s 55. That's why 5/11 minutes you will get. Okay, this is normal traditional method. But just now I told LCM by factors can be applicable for almost all the types. So here the values are 30, 20, 10. So formula is what? LCM by factors. The LCM of 30, 20, 10 is, LCM is very clear, LCM is 60. Here I am saying second type. Okay, so LCM is simply 20. Now you have to find out the factors. How will get factors? 30 2s 60. Okay, similarly 20 3s 60. Okay, 10 6s 60. Okay, so 60/2 plus 3 plus 6. 2 plus 3 plus 6 means how much I am getting? 11. So 60/11 means here I am getting 60/11. Same, it's a fraction. Converting into mixture fraction, what you will get? 5/11 minutes you will get. Okay, this is the procedure to solve question number 6. Now we will focus on 7th question. 2 pipes can fill a tank in 15 hours and 12 hours respectively, while a third pipe can empty it in 20 hours. If the tank is empty and all the 3 pipes are open together, then how much time will the tank be filled completely? So if you observe the difference between 6th question and 7th question, in 6th question all the 3 pipes are filling the tank. But whereas in 7th question, 2 pipes are filling the tank, whereas 3rd pipe is emptying the tank, and is given in terms of hours. 2 pipes can fill a tank in 15 hours and 12 hours respectively, while a 3rd pipe is empty it in 20 hours. Okay, so now we'll solve this first question. So since 3rd pipe is emptying, simply we can say minus, again by normal method, or we can apply LCM by factors method also. Okay, so it's better we'll go with LCM by factors method. These are the values what is given. I'm using LCM by factors method. 15 comma 12 comma 20. Here it's very clear, LCM is equal to how much I'm getting, 60 I'm getting LCM, 12 comma 15 and 20. And now we are take the factors. 15 4s 60 we can take, 12 5s 60 we can take, 23s 60 we can take. But here the beauty is, first 2 pipes are filling, simply we have to take plus. 3rd pipe is emptying, that's why we have to take minus. So ultimately what I am getting, 60 by 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 means again 6 I am getting. 60 by 6 means how many hours we required, 10 hours required to fill the tank. So here the beauty of this question, I think you are all aware of the question. 2 pipes can fill a tank in 15 hours, 12 hours respectively, while 3rd pipe is emptying in 20 hours. So the tank is empty and all 3 pipes are open together. Then how much time will the take means how many hours are required. So simply here we required 10 hours to fill that. Okay, that is question number 7. Now we'll focus on, so 8th question is what, 2 pipes can fill a tank in 3 hours, 4 hours respectively, while a 3rd pipe can empty it in 2 hours. If the tank is empty and all 3 pipes are open together, then it will, how much time will it take to fill it completely. Similar question. So 2 pipes can fill a tank 3 hours and 4 hours respectively. 3rd pipe can empty it in how many hours, 2 hours. So simply now we'll take the solution. Let's say for example, now we'll take that values as pipe A 3 hours, pipe B 4 hours, whereas pipe C is emptying, but in how many hours, only 2 hours, 3 comma 4 comma and 2. Okay, so same 3 comma 4 comma 2, we'll apply the concept of LCM by factors method. 3 4 2, LCM is very clear, 12 by factors. How you will take the factors here, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 2 6s are 12. So first 2 pipes are filling, 3rd pipe is emptying. So here 12 by what you can say, 7 minus 6 means 1. 12 by 1 means simply what you can say, 12 we can say. That is about question number 8. Okay, same concept. So now we focus on question number 9. Taps capital A and B can fill a bucket in 12 minutes and 50 minutes respectively. If both the taps are open and after 3 minutes tap A is closed, then how much time will B take to fill the bucket? Taps capital, here how many taps are there? 2 taps are there. What the taps has to do? Filling the bucket. Taps capital A and B can fill a bucket in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. If both the taps are opened and after 3 minutes tap A is closed, then how much time will it take B take to fill the bucket? So here once observe here, 12 minutes and 15 minutes given. Now we'll start taking solution. So he given regarding 2 pipes. First pipe is how many minutes we taken? 12 minutes. Second pipe is how many? So second pipe is 15, right? That also we know. And see, only 2 pipes are there. Only 2 pipes are there. But what happened if both the taps are opened and after 3 minutes tap A is closed? So here the logic is very clear. This we can solve again type 1, type 2 methods. First type is what you know. Both the pipes are opened for how many minutes here? 3 minutes. Now we have to find out the work done by both the pipes in 3 minutes. 2 pipes in 3 minutes. that is pipe A 1 minute work is 1/12, pipe B 1 minute work is 1/15, A 1 minute work, B 1 minute, A plus B is 1 minute work, but they are working for how many minutes? 3 minutes. Okay, so here we can use the concept of cross multiplication. 3 into 27 by 12 into 15. Okay, with this what I am going to get? I am going to get the work done by 2 pipes in 3 minutes. So simplification, 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, and here 3 fives are 15, 3 nines are 27. What I am getting? 4 fives are 20 I am getting. So what does it mean? Total capacity is 20. How many parts filled? 3 parts filled. So 3 parts filled in how many minutes? 3 minutes. So now we have to find out the remaining work. Remaining work is what I am getting? 11/90. This remaining work should be done by whom now? Now which pipe is closed? After 3 minutes tap A is closed. After 3 minutes tap A is closed. This remaining work should be done by whom now? So tap B, because tap A is closed. After 3 minutes tap A is closed. This remaining work should be done by what we can say? Second pipe. So second pipe can fill the whole tank in how many minutes? 15 minutes. Whole tank means how many parts are there here? 90 parts are there. So 90 parts. 90 parts can be filled in 15 minutes, but we have only 11 parts. 11 parts can be filled in how many minutes? Simplification, 15 ones are 15 six are. What I am getting? 11/6. 11/6 means after simplification 6 ones are 6. So 5 left, converting into mixture fraction, 1 5/6. 1 5/6 is what? Then how much time will B take to fill the bucket? How much time will B take to fill the bucket? So 1, what we can say here? 1 5/6 hours we can say, or we can converting into even minutes also. 1 hour 50 minutes we can say. That is the remaining work. So this is one way of doing method, and the same we can solve by using another way also. The same question can be solved by another way also. Pipe A can fill a tank in X, pipe B can fill a tank in Y. Okay, but what happened? So A tap is working for only T1 hours or minutes, B tap is working for only T2 minutes or hours. Pipe A can fill a tank in X hours, pipe B can fill the tank in Y hours, but A worked for T1 hours, B worked for T2 hours. In that case what you can write? T1/X plus T2/that's Y, this is equal to total. So this is also one of the beautiful formula in time and work, or we can say pipes and cisterns. Tap A can fill in X hours, tap B can fill in Y hours, but tap A worked for only T1 hours, tap B is worked for only T2 hours. Then in that case the condition is T1/X plus T2/Y equal to 1. So by using this, for example, T minutes are required. If you observe here, if you apply this concept to this question, pipe A is worked for only 3 hours, that's why 3/12. And second pipe is how much? B 15 hours. So for example, B alone T, but so what you can say? Total work can be filled 3/12 plus T plus 3/15. If you are solving this again, you will get the answer as 1 5/6 hours. 1 5/6 also can be written as 1 hour, what you can say? 1 hour 50 minutes also you can solve. Same procedure. Okay, remember this concept. We are going to this question in many methods. Okay, keep in mind. Now we will focus on next question. Question number 10. Observe here, a pipe can fill a tank completely 6 hours, but due to leakage in the bottom it gets filled in 24 hours. If the tank is full, how many hours would it take to leak the empty cistern? I repeat, a pipe can fill a tank completely in 16 hours, but due to leakage in the bottom it gets filled in 24 hours. If the tank is full, how many hours would the leak take to empty the cistern? So here leak means again emptying. So filling means plus you can take, emptying means minus we can take. Okay. So here we'll solve here itself. Pipe A can fill a tank completely in how many hours? 16 hours. Therefore, the work done by first tap or first pipe in 1 minute is 1/16. And due to leakage, the bottom gets filled in how many hours? 24 hours. That is, work done by 1 minute is 24. Whereas first pipe is, since he mentioned the word leakage, I am taking minus. Filling means plus, emptying means minus, or even leakage means same meaning, emptying. So here from this solving, either you can use cross multiplication or LCM method. So 16 comma 24, you can take LCM or cross multiplication. 24 minus 16, 8 I am getting, 8/16 into 24, 8 1s, 8 3s, 24, 1/16 3s, 48. So 1/48 means what? That work done in 1 hour, because he given in terms of all the values in terms of hours, 1/48. Therefore, total work can be finished in how many hours? 48 hours. So nothing new in that, it's very clear. Leakage means simply I am taking minus. Keep that concept in mind. Two pipes, capital A and B, can fill a tank in 30 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Both pipes are open together. If the tank has to be filled in 24 minutes, then when the second type should be closed. So this is observe, very beautiful question. If you observe the concept of this question, what he mentioned here, total how many are there? Only two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 30 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Both pipes are opened together. If the tank has to be filled in 24 minutes, then when the second pipe should be closed. Pipe A can fill how many minutes are there? 30 minutes. Similarly, what about pipe B? Pipe B 40 minutes. See here, interestingly, he gave one word. What is that? Both pipes are opened together if tank has to be filled in 24 minutes. So he only given tank has to be filled in only how many minutes we can say? Tank has to be filled in only 24 minutes. Tank has to be filled in 24 minutes. So what does it mean? Total work should be done in only 24 minutes. When the second pipe should be closed, he asked you to find, it's about second pipe. When the second pipe should be closed. So second pipe should be closed means what? First pipe is worked for 24 minutes. But total how many he given? Total given 30. And second pipe, so he mentioned at what time? T/40 we can take. That is equal to 1. So if I am solving these two, so LCM is 120, it's very clear. LCM is 120. That's why here 30 4s, 24 4s, 96, plus here T is there, that is 3T, that is equal to 120. So solving this condition, if I am solving this condition, T is equals to what I am getting? 8. If he given in terms of minutes, minutes. If he given in terms of hours, hours. So he given in terms of minutes. That's why what I can say. So second pipe has to be closed after how many hours we can say? Second pipe has to be closed after 8 minutes. Okay. So this is the beauty of the chapter. So still many models are there, but so think that these are some basic concepts and even some interesting questions also we discussed. Focus on this, practice well and practice more number of bits. Definitely you will get the good command on pipes and cisterns. Thank you.